CSR time, but we need to remain awake. Morning session was very interesting. Some of my takes, like Sushmita started by saying logistics has much wider meaning than what we think or see. And it is omnipresent. It drives everything in life. Which was reinforced by Tony later saying that it's right there in your phones. You're ordering Ubers and Olas and it's already there. We also heard about Sagarmala, which is one of the biggest projects which is going on. I got an interesting point where there was a mention of a project which was driving through 200 kilometers of forest and which became a big hindrance in our doing the project. It finally didn't happen. And then I was very happy to see that I am one among the 50% people present that have not seen automation in steel industry. But then I think there are, the subsequent question was well answered. People now understood what it means and going forward it's going to help everyone. So I don't know where my, okay. Oh, these are videos. Somebody help me where my presentation is. Where is it? Which one? No, this is it. Okay. Yeah. Is there? Can you put it down there? Or do I have to do something? How do you make it big? Oh, it has come. Okay, so here we start. So far we have been talking about outbound, mostly talking about the plant that produces it and the way will you ship it and hand it over to your customer. I'll be talking about systems which bring in raw material and other inputs to the plant so that the plant can function and generate what it is. Before I get into that, I'd like to talk a little bit about Elecon, which has been in existence for the last 60 years. And we have done many projects since then, and all kinds of projects, including the steel, cement, fertilizer, iron ore, and the coal industry. There has been a big presence here. We've done more than 12 bulk material plant projects. One of the largest manufacturers, we have a large factory in Vallabh, Gujarat, and we also have a big gear manufacturing company, and we are one of the Asia's foremost gear manufacturing group. This is the location. I'll skip through the introduction as much as I can. Like I said, we are in coal, gas mines, cement plants, steel, fertilizer, bag handling, ship loaders, unloaders, and cross-country conveying system. I'll be mostly talking about long-distance conveying. We have a lot of projects under our belt with prestigious projects. NLC, we have done shiftable conveyors, NMDC, Adani, JSPL, we have done a big project, 60-meter boom length special. We have done a project in Thailand too. And NTPC, we are working with at least 4 or 5 large NTPC coal handling projects. These are the products we make. Stacker reclaimers, barrel reclaimers, trippers, all kinds of products that can produce and supply in short time. Wagon dipper is one of the biggest products that we handle. We design ourselves, we manufacture and we supply, we service. Marshalling systems, side-arm charger, pulleys, belt conveyors, shiftable conveyors, which is very much used in R&M project, that is renovation modernization projects, which are coming up of late, where we are increasing the capacity or restoring the capacity of old projects. We have a full factory for idlers. Now quickly I will be coming to the types of conveyors that convey all the raw material, which includes the ore, the coal and other products which go into making steel or any other. So we have these fixed type conveyors, shiftable conveyors, and these are the trough belt conveyors which are deep in the middle. And then we have these specialized conveyors which go long distance, curving both horizontally, vertically, and multiple ways. So these can be used from conveying everything from mine to the plant. The longest one we have done of that nature is about 7.5 kilometers. And then we have these closed pipe conveyors which convey long distances and which are very environment friendly. We'll go into the details of how it helps us using pipe or closed conveyors. This is how it works. A pipe conveyor, conceptually, how it works is that it's actually, as it starts, it's a flat conveyor where a feeding point is a little further ahead, and then as it moves, the conveyor changes shape. This is the conveying direction. And as we begin, it's a simple trough in section B. We move forward, it starts closing, and then it starts taking a U shape, followed by slow conversion into a pipe, which is completely closed. And it has a lot of advantages. This is one picture which shows how it actually happens in the field. The picture on the right of you shows that it starts as a trough conveyor and then gets converted into a pipe conveyor. Some of the big benefits of closed conveyors is environment friendly. It's completely enclosed. So there is no contamination either from outside or nothing falls out of it. So there is no contamination. Long distance conveying benefits a lot with this closed conveyor. The pipe is very flexible, so it allows you to move left or right, vertical or up or down. So the conveying becomes very flexible, and there is no need to have transfer points which always lead to hazard of environmental hazards. It requires DSD systems at many points, that is removal of air at many points, which is totally avoided because it's a closed conveyor. And it's maintenance friendly, and it doesn't really require much of a maintenance, except some of the pulleys which may wear out, or the belt may have a little rough cut here and there because of misalignment, but minor things only happen. And it has also got a feature that when the belt returns after being converted into pipe, it discharges things, and then when it returns, it can be used as a return conveying system that also can carry some material along with it. So it has double benefits. Moving in both directions, it can convey material. We also have an innovation which was done for long distance convey. You can see a pipeline, a pipe conveyor in the middle. And what we have done there is that we have not given any walkways alongside this conveyor. Instead of that, we have a trolley which is wheel mounted, and it drives itself. So for the purpose of maintenance or inspection, a person can climb the trolley and travel the whole distance. For NMDC Donimalai plant, we have supplied one which travels 4.5 kilometers one way. So this is an innovative solution we have provided, which is very much available. It's a special product for us. So you have access to the full length of the pipeline. At the same time, there is no platform, so you save on structures, you save on walkways, you save on space, apart from being environment friendly. See, another view of, We have also made some wine glass conveyor, which are special shaped conveyors in one of the plants in Gujarat. It again provides that trough which helps in containing the material within, and there is no spillage. This is another pipe conveyor which we have done for Aditya Birla Cement. These are some of the major projects we have done which have been successfully running for many, many years. This is a closer look at the pipe conveyor which we have put in Mahan Alumina plant in Madhya Pradesh. Has been working successfully for last several years. This is Manikgarh Cement. Conveyor length is 2.5 meter and quite a high capacity of 1500 tons per hour. This is one which I was thinking about when we were talking about environment friendly conveying system. So this passes through a forest. It also crosses a water body, but it has been permitted by the ministries to take the material above this. This is for a cement plant which uses limestone. So these are some of the things which we can do to save the environment, at the same time convey the material long distances. This is one of our prized project where we have done this downhill convey from mine to the NMDC plant. And this is the shape of the conveying system you can see. It was a challenge for us to design and construct one such conveying system. However, we are very happy to tell that in one shot, this conveyor, which had so many complications, so many bends and ups and downs, in one shot it was commissioned, and till date for last 1.5 years it is working very effectively, conveying iron ore to the plant. For NMDC also, this is one of those Hall of Fame projects. So here we are, as Elecon, we have a manufacturing facility which maintains the quality and high standards of design. We are the market leaders among several others. So that's all I had to convey. Thank you.
Auntie, hello.
Yeah, I think it's working.
आंटी कर दो ना, मैं घर पे आके दे दूँगा बस.
Finish everybody's. Mr. Amol Shah, you make your